Hey, what's up YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today I'm just going to do a real quick video and show you guys what I'm doing in order to protect my spark plug wires. Now, I have the MSD ready to run kit, and they provide you with everything you need: distributor, coil, wires, everything like that. But you have to assemble the wires, at least one end of them, so you can cut them to length. But other ways I'm going to protect them from the headers and everything and interference is these little sleeves right here, which will go around the base down by the headers. It goes over the boot and up part of the wire right past the headers, and these are good, you know, for around 1200 degrees. So they're great for protecting the wires and not burning them. And then another way I'm keeping them organized is by using these brackets right here, and this is what I'm going to show you today on how to kind of install these and what they are. They also have these for all different sizes of spark plug wires, so they're great. And this is for a 4-corner post valve cover, not the 4 center bolts, so keep that in mind. But it's going to be a real quick video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. And then in the future, I'll do another video on actually how to assemble spark plug wires and installing them on the car. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get into this now. These spark plug wire organizers are actually very simple, decently priced as well, depending on what brand you go with, what size you need for the spark plug wires. I have an 8.5 millimeter spark plug wire, so these fit 8.5s. And it's basically just 2 pieces of aluminum, and each one having a channel down them. These will go to the very back spark plug wires and go down to the spark plug, and so on and so forth, all the way up to the front, keeping them nice and organized. You can basically put these on, and then I can cut my spark plug wires, or I can lay them in there and really decide where my spark plug wire length is perfect and cut it, and then adapt it all. So that's really nice. I don't got a bunch of spark plug wires, you know, draping over everything, or, you know, looking messy or tangling up, or, you know, being extra long or anything like that. So these keep them really nice and organized. Basically, you get 4 of these L brackets, 2 for each, and then you get locking nuts and washers and all the hardware you need. And then the little black screws are going to actually be what attaches the top to the bottom and keeps everything in place. But as far as L brackets, they're cut so you can adjust them depending on the valve covers that you're using, so you can line up the holes. And then this is where your valve cover bolts will go through and hold them to the side of the block. So that's really nice. As you can tell, you just simply put the screw in through the top. It's kind of countersunk in here, as you can tell. They're kind of countersunk, and then you just take a washer and the locking nut on the back side. You leave them loose, and then you can adjust these to make sure that it fits nice and the holes line up. So now that I've got this one done, we're going to go ahead and install this on the passenger side of the car. So like I was saying, it's a very simple product. Here's the bottom base. You can see I already have my valve cover bolts removed right here. Just going to simply, after you've made sure these lined up, it's literally as simple as just getting these started. And it's as simple as that. Now all I would do is run my spark plug wire down to here. I'm going to have that boot that I showed you at the beginning of the video down to each one. As you can tell, it comes out right here really close to the header, so that boot will really protect it. I might actually go ahead and adjust these and slide it back, since this one almost comes down right into the header. So I think it'll be smart to go ahead and adjust these back a little bit further. But that's it. A really nice a really good way to run your spark plug wires and keep everything organized and looking good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Real quick video, and I'll try and link as much of this stuff down in the description for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.